Visual is the biggest thing, man. You need visual.
Figuring out what people want their hair to look like. Dude, how difficult that can be.
It's hard.
They can see it, right? So we go through that as well. Now, the funny thing is this is what your building turned out like. But like, this was the design to come up with. But what's crazy is what it used to look like.
Isn't that crazy?
We get this picture, right? We get an inspiration. From there, we build it out and we show what the material is going to be. But from here, then we're able to get exactly what it's going to cost. And we get the material and the measurements, exactly what it is. How many square feet, the linear footage down to the inch.
I think everybody, like especially when you're spending that kind of money, visual is one of the most important things. Because I'll give you an example of what happened here, right? So when you guys were doing our building, we have all the vertical vinyl, all that. But around the windows, we had a J channel at first.
Just a J channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden when I seen it, I did not like it. But then I told Carlos put a stop to it, and then he went to it and it makes a huge difference. But you have a software that you can actually show the person
what it's going to look like ahead of time.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's great. Most important thing to me was basically what I just said, is if I had an issue with whatever the build out was, I know that it's gonna have somebody fixing that right away.
Yeah.
A lot of contractors don't do that. They're just like, you know what, that's your fault.
They don't own it.
Yeah, they don't own it. And you know what? Carlos put a stop to it, called you, and solved it right away. Boom. It looks more like a really polished up salon.